Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. On your demand, I am going to make today's video related with the deleted topics for commercial application ICSE class 10. So starting with first chapter, which is markets and marketing, the only deleted topic is role of marketing and characteristics of marketing. Next is marketing mix 4Ps. Here factors affecting distribution channel. This topic is not in your syllabus. Third is advertising and brand promotion. Here deleted topic is features of good advertising. Fourth chapter is sales and selling process. Deleted topic is importance of personal selling. Fifth chapter is generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. Here accounting period concept, realization principle, complete disclosure, revenue principle, expense principle, all these simple principles are not in your syllabus, including modifying principles. जो modifying principles दिए हुए हैं वो भी syllabus में नहीं है. Sixth chapter is financial accounting and reporting. No deleted topic from this chapter. From seventh chapter, banking and bank transactions, deleted topics are nature and drawing of checks, types of checks, endorsements of check, and bank draft. Eighth chapter, fundamental concepts of cost. Here no deleted topic from eighth chapter. From chapter 9, importance of human resources, no deleted topic. From chapter 10, recruitment, selection and training, many deleted topics. First is factors influencing the choice of a source of recruitment. Next is importance of employee selection, then types of test, then essential requirement of a good selection, then guidelines for conducting effective interviews, then advantages of training to employees. All these are deleted topics from recruitment, selection and training. 11th chapter is public relations. Here deleted topics are public relation as a management function. This topic is deleted. The main reasons for the rapid growth of public relations, then importance of public relations and public relations in India. All these topics are deleted from chapter public relations. Last is issues of environment. No deleted topic from this chapter. These are the deleted topics from your commercial applications. Although these are in relevance with the topics in your syllabus, क्योंकि जो आपको चैप्टर में दिया गया है वो आपके चैप्टर की बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए है. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स अपना फुल सेंटम चाहते हैं कमर्शियल एप्लीकेशन में, उनको तो ये डिलीटेड टॉपिक्स भी थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए करना ही है, ताकि वो आगे जाकर इस सब्जेक्ट की बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कर पाए बड़ी क्लासेस में. तो अभी आप वैसे ही डिलीटेड टॉपिक्स है, इनको आप ब्रीफली कवर कर सकते हैं या फिर पूरी तरह से छोड़ सकते हैं, पर बाकी टॉपिक्स जो दिए गए हैं वो आप अच्छे से पूरे कर पाए, क्योंकि टाइम कम है. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने अभी तक नहीं किया उन्हीं के लिए ये वीडियो मैंने आपके बार बार मैसेज आने के बाद बनाई है. Thanks you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.